Hello everybody, I'm here. Today we're going to be making a very special smoothie. It's a tropical energy smoothie, so let's get right into it. Alright, let's get into the ingredients. First, you will need 1 cup of ripe mango that has been chopped up. You can either chop it up yourself or ask the people at the store to do it for you. Next, you'll want to add in 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks. Again, you can either cut this up yourself or ask the people at the store to do it for you. Next, add in 1 medium banana that has been cut into fourths. Then add in 2 tablespoons of honey. I recommend using raw, unfiltered honey if you can find it. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of lime juice. You can actually use the entire lime if you want. Squeeze the juice out of it. And last but not least, add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now all you have to do is add all of these ingredients into a blender. If you have a really powerful blender, you can actually blend all of these ingredients on low speed for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. But if your blender isn't that powerful, I would recommend adding in about 4 cups of water and then blend on low speed for about 1 minute. Once it's finished blending, you can pour it into a glass. I recommend using a chilled glass and adding some ice cubes. You can also just drink it as is straight from the blender. But this smoothie is so good and so delicious. You are going to love it. And if you're wondering, this smoothie is actually a very refreshing tropical powerhouse. It's perfect for staying hydrated, getting a little boost of energy, and getting that natural sweetness without any of the refined sugar. Now, let's get into the benefits of this smoothie. First, let's talk about the mango. The mango is a very special ingredient in this recipe because it's going to add a lot of flavor and it's going to add a lot of nutrients as well. Mango is actually one of the richest sources of vitamin A and C. Vitamin A is really important for maintaining healthy skin and eyes. And vitamin C is really important for maintaining a healthy immune system. So by drinking this smoothie, you're boosting your vitamin A and C intake. Next, let's talk about the pineapple. The pineapple is not only delicious and adds a lot of great flavor to this smoothie, but it's also going to add an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is really important for digestion. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Next, let's talk about the banana. The banana is not only delicious and sweet, but it's also going to add a lot of potassium. Potassium is a very important nutrient for maintaining healthy energy levels and muscle function. And bananas are actually one of the best sources of potassium. Next, let's talk about the honey. The honey is not only delicious, but it's also a natural antioxidant. Antioxidants are really important for maintaining overall health and protecting against cellular damage. Next, let's talk about the lime juice. The lime juice is going to add a lot of flavor, but it's also going to be alkalizing. It will support a healthy detox and a healthy digestion. Last but not least, let's talk about the vanilla extract. The vanilla extract is not only delicious, but it's also going to add some antioxidants. It's also known for its calming aroma. So this smoothie is not only delicious and refreshing, but it's also going to support your overall health and wellness. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.